Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss what is Python libraries. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we discussed about what is encryption and decryption, how we can use everything was discussed. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go learn what is encryption and decryption, how we can use in our programs. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about what is Python library. So what is the difference between module and library, and also is any standard libraries are there in Python. So many things we'll discuss in this tutorial. Just watch this tutorial till the end. First of all, I want to explain what is Python library. It is a reusable chunk of code that you may want to include in your programs or projects, whatever it may be, you can. Compared to other programming languages like C or C++, Python libraries do not include any specific content in Python. Do you know that? And I want to explain in a shortened way what is library. It said this collection of core modules. A package is a library that can be installed using package manager like npm. What is the difference between module and library and package? We all of us know that module is a file with some Python code we can use where you want, and a package is a directory for sub packages as well as modules. I hope it was very clear. What is Python standard library? It is a collection of extract syntax, token and semantics of Python. It comes bundled with core Python distribution. What are the inbuilt libraries are there in Python? Actually, many libraries are available in Python, but I am going to discuss some of the important libraries. So that are NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. So coming tutorials also I am discussing this. Actually, this is very important. We can use for data science also. And other libraries are also available like Request, Pygame and Pillow. So I am giving a brief about what is NumPy. Actually, NumPy is used for mathematical perform. If you want to perform any mathematical operations, by using this package you can perform easily dimensional array objects. So and coming to next one, which is called Pandas. Actually, Panda is used to mainly it was useful in data science. It's provide like fast, expansive and flexible data structures to easily, and we can work with like a structural and tabular manner. And next one, coming to Matplotlib, it's like a data analyzing and numerical plotting library. So if you want to work with a graphs, Matplotlib is very useful. And coming next one, which is called Pygames. If you want to develop any games in Python, you can use Pygame. And coming to next one, which is called Request. So what is meant by request means it is also one of the library. If you want to send HTTP request, and if you want to add any headers, forms, data, multi-part files or parameters with simple Python dictionaries, and also you can access the response data in the same way by using this request library. And next one, which is called Pillow. So this is also one of the important library in Python. If you want to work on images, Pillow is the best library to work on graphical content. I hope in this tutorial you learned something about what is library, where we can use, and what is the difference between library, module and package. And also you learned what is standard library, what are the inbuilt libraries are there in Python. We learned many things in this tutorial, and I'll come with another tutorial, that is what is NumPy, where we can use, and we discussed lot many things in coming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. Bye bye, see you. Hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos. And do like and share also. And if you want to ask any